If you're watching this right now, you're watching the replay because no one is on right now. So hashtag replay so I know that you saw this because that would be so cool if you were able to see this. Today I am going to be applying a new set of strips. So yeah, when you hop on, let me know where you're watching from. I have friends from all over, so it's super fun to see where everyone is from. So today I'm going to be putting on a new set. It's called Marble City, and these are from the new collection, the new fall collection that has not been released yet. We don't have a date yet, but look how amazing these look. Look how cute these are. Hi, Mom. So for all of you that are hopping on, let me know where you're hopping on from, where you're watching from, because I know I have everyone from all over the United States on my friends list, which is so cool. Today I'm going to be applying these new sets. Again, they're from the fall collection. They released them to us from at conference. So we got a little sneak peek of the fall collection, but look how pretty these are. They're like a little white shimmer. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in them. And they're marble. How stinking cute. Hey, Amanda. Springfield, is that Missouri? Hey, another Amanda from Alabama. Welcome, guys. All right, so how many of you guys have tried Color Street before? Anybody? Anybody? All right, so first step is you take these nail prep pads, and these are just alcohol swabs, and I'm just gonna clean off my nails with them, and it gets all like the dirt and the oils and all that stuff off of them. I apply this cuticle cream that I have. It's called Right On Q, and it's from Perfectly Posh. I love Posh. And it helps with my cuticles because I tend to bite them. So I run this over top. That way I know that my nails will adhere pretty good. And like, I don't know if you can see like the dirt that just came off of all of this. Like, yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it, but it's dirty, trust me. So happy Friday, everyone. Is everyone excited it's Friday? I know I am. All right, so this is what you get in your set. You get 2 sets of these things. There's 8 on each set. And you kind of just match them up to your nails. So they're all different sizes, and they're actually like different shapes on the ends too. So some are curved and some are more square. So I already kind of know what size my nails are because I've been doing them for so long now. So I start with the small one for my pinky, and there's like this little plastic backing on it. You take that off, and then there's this little silver tab. Peel that off, and then I'm just gonna pop that tab off there, and then I'm just gonna line it up on my finger, or my fingernail. Hey everyone, make sure you let me know where you're watching from. All right, so you just pop that right on your nail like that, super easy, and then I just take my thumb and I push up underneath my nails. Now I have tiny nails, and I know a lot of people always ask, will these work on tiny nails? Of course they will. I keep my nails tiny. I just don't like long nails. I type all day, so they just get in the way. And just like that, my first nail is done. Now look at all these extra that I have left over. Now this is gonna be too small for my next pinky nail, but if your pinky nail is small enough or whatever for the next one, then just take it and put it right over the other one. But I know my pinky nail needs, because this one like tapers down, so my pinky nail needs like the widest end on that. So I'm going to use another nail for that, but I'll show you on the other nails that you can just use half of it, especially if you have smaller nails like I do. So I can I'll show you how much I have left because it's always so much. It's crazy. And I can get a full pedicure out of it too and still have leftover on top of that. All right, so this one is done. So I have a little excess like hanging over the edge here. So all sets come with a nail file, which is super cool. Just take that off, and I'm just gonna file like in a downward motion. I'm just gonna take that excess right off. And like that, it's done. So both my pinkies done just like that. All right, next one, let's see. I think I'm gonna do the white like shimmer. Hey everyone, hopping on. How's everyone's Friday going? All right, so just pull that off, hop that tab off. Just gonna line that up. And the best thing about this, all right, so you can kind of see that it's a little crooked. You can literally, as long as you haven't like pushed down on them, take it right off and reposition it. And it's not gonna mess them up or anything, which is so amazing. So I'm just gonna smooth that on there like that. Again, I'm gonna take my thumb, I'm gonna push up underneath of my nail. I'm gonna break that off. And then look how much excess I have. Hey Courtney. Are Kira and Macy excited to go back to school? I can't believe it's starting soon. All right, and then I'm just gonna do the other nail, super, super easy. Just like that, both my ring fingers are done. Super easy. Hi, Samantha. Where are you at in Maryland? I'm in Maryland. I'm in Harford County. All right, boom. Woo, woo. I'm sure you are too. All right, next one. I think I'm gonna do another solid, just because these are so cute. I'm really excited for the spring collection to come out. It's gonna be bomb. So if you're watching and you've never tried Color Street before, drop me your address in a message and I will send you a sample. And I'll just be one of these little 2Z samples like this. That way you can at least try like as an accent nail. And we like to do the Color Street challenge, where you put the Color Street on and then you paint the rest of your nails and you see how Color Street holds up to your regular nail polish. All right, so middle finger is done. Hey guys. Hey everyone hopping on. All right, so I'm getting this on here. So does anybody have any fun weekend plans? I know a lot of you guys are starting, a lot of your kids have started back to school. We don't go back until September 4th, I believe, the day after Labor Day. It's like insane. Like I'm seeing everyone post all their kids back to school pictures and I'm like, dang, my kid still has like 2-3 weeks left. So I have a little extra on this, so I'm just gonna take my nail file and just get the excess off there. And I got a little bit extra on this one. I'm just gonna, done. Boom, look at that. So it's only taking me one strip here, one strip here, one strip here, and one strip here. I've only used 4 strips. Insane. All right, so next one I'm gonna do the marble. This is so stinking pretty. I can't wait for the new fall collection, guys. We got to see all of it. Hey, Heather. We got to see the entire fall collection at conference. Guys, I'm just The colors are absolutely amazing. Amazing. I'm really excited. Fall is my favorite season ever. Like ever. Who else loves fall? I love fall. I love the weather. I love that it's not too hot. It's not too cold. But it still has a breeze. It's not like spring. I absolutely hate spring. My birthday is in the spring. And I also have really bad allergies. And I just absolutely hate the spring. Even though my birthday is in the spring. Like, it's smack dab in the middle of the spring. It's in April. So, but I hate it. Allergies will be the death of me. Gosh, this marble is so pretty. So did anyone see that the new pumpkin spice, or it's not new, obviously, but they're coming out with it, like, I think this week or something crazy? Or the beginning of next week? Insane. Yeah, fall is bomb. I love like wearing big sweaters, and you can break out like boots. And I love going to the pumpkin patch. And when you drink coffee, you won't like, you can have hot coffee and not die from the heat. See, I think that's so weird. Maybe we just hate the seasons we're born in because we're born in them. I don't know. My son was born in February, the day after Valentine's Day. And his due date was during like the biggest blizzard we have ever had. And everyone was freaking out because they thought I was going to have the baby during a blizzard. So they made sure we had a path like all shoveled out, but our neighborhood wasn't plowed or anything. It was crazy. But he ended up not coming at all on his due date. I had to be induced, and he ended up coming 9 days after his due date. And I ended up having to have an emergency C-section. He was just so happy and cozy. And the day after he was born, it snowed again. So, hey Aunt Rose. Oh, Heather, I hate summer. April, they already have it out at Dunkin' Donuts? I haven't gone to Dunkin' Donuts in a while. They just built a new Starbucks on my way to work. So, I stopped by there. Alright guys, I'm almost finished. That's how quick it took me. Literally took me like a conversation. I just have to clean them up a little bit with the nail file. But I am done. So does anybody have any fun plans for the weekend? Anybody? Oh man. Do they have their new, I guess it's not new, but like, I always get the sandwiches. They're like croissant sandwiches that have like the different flavored bacons. Like I know they had like the black pepper bacon. They had something else too. Like chipotle bacon or something. I love all the different types of bacon. Alright, so last thing is you take your other prep pods. So you get 2 of these in your kit, or in your set. Sorry. Yeah, maple bacon. And then you just go over top of them. And that just kind of helps like set them in. And these don't have to dry. The first time I put these things on, I will tell you, it does feel like dry nail polish on your nails. And I was like a person at like a nail salon, like trying not to touch things because I thought my nails were wet. Yes, bacon is life. It's so good. Look how freaking cute these are. Can you see them? They're so amazing. I love the marble. All right, now prepare to be amazed by how much I still have left over. I just did my pedicure, okay? I mean my manicure, duh. I have an entire set, because all I took off here was the one little small pinky, and then I have 3 nails from the other set. So I have 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 10 more nails. And when I do my toes, I have really itty bitty baby nails. So I'll use the 2 big ones, the 2 real big ones for my big toes, and then I'll use one of the small, one of these, and that's all I use on my toes. So if you have like a daughter or like a best friend, you could probably even do all of their nails with these too. It's amazing. Yeah, it's Marble City. Yeah, Marble City. So stinking amazing. Oh, yay! Did you love it? I'm probably gonna put these on my toes too. Right now I have one of the new glitter dips on my toes. Let me see what it's called. If I could put my foot up here, I'd show you. I have these on my toes right now, Cuban Summer. That's what I put on my nails for the beach. But how amazing. They're so stinking cute. So again, if you've never tried it before, let me know. Drop your address in my inbox. Just send me a message and I will send you out a sample. I got these cute little twosies like this, and you can take the Color Street Challenge. So you put this, these are probably big enough for like your ring finger and maybe like your pinky finger. Put it on like 2 nails if you want, 1 or 2 nails, and then paint the rest of your nails and see how they hold up. I have a couple girls doing the Color Street Challenge and they have like hard jobs. One of them is a dog groomer, so she is constantly using her nails, and I can't wait to show you guys the results. I have another girl who is a nurse, so she's constantly washing her hands and everything, and I have her final results too that I'll be posting soon. But it's amazing how well they have held up on their nails compared to regular nail polish. So I'm super excited. I love that we have these samples so that way you guys can try before you buy and everything. So yeah, thanks for joining in while I did my 10-minute mani. I think it was like 10-12 minutes, something like that, something quick. And I'll talk to you guys next time. And if you have any questions about Color Street, you know where to find me. See ya.